Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a detailed look at the Hoover SmartWash and Automatic Carpet Cleaner Machine, a deep cleaning carpet and upholstery cleaning system designed to make carpet maintenance easier, faster, and more effective. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt, pet messes, high traffic areas, or accidental spills, the SmartWash aims to simplify the carpet cleaning process while delivering professional-level results at home. One of the biggest highlights of the Hoover SmartWash is its automatic cleaning technology. Unlike traditional carpet cleaners that often require multiple buttons, triggers, and manual solution controls, this machine is designed to make operation extremely simple. The automatic cleaning system helps apply cleaning solution and water during forward motion while assisting with drying during the backward pass, creating a more intuitive cleaning experience. The SmartWash is designed for deep carpet cleaning. Over time, carpets can accumulate dirt, dust, allergens, pet hair, stains, and odors that regular vacuuming simply cannot remove. This machine works to lift embedded debris from carpet fibers, helping restore a fresher and cleaner appearance throughout the home. One of its key strengths is versatility. While primarily designed for carpets, the machine can also be used on upholstery and other compatible fabric surfaces when paired with the appropriate accessories. This added flexibility allows users to clean furniture, stairs, and other soft surfaces using a single cleaning system. When combined with Hoover carpet cleaning solutions, the SmartWash is capable of tackling a variety of household cleaning challenges. Whether you're refreshing carpets after months of use or addressing specific stains and spills, the machine is designed to provide thorough cleaning performance while helping maintain the appearance of flooring and upholstery. Ease of use is one of the reasons many homeowners appreciate this model. The automatic operation removes much of the guesswork typically associated with carpet cleaning. Instead of constantly managing cleaning modes and solution triggers, users can focus more on cleaning and less on operating the machine. Another important benefit is the ability to refresh high-traffic areas. Hallways, living rooms, family rooms, and entryways often experience the most wear and can quickly begin to look dull or dirty. Deep cleaning these areas can help restore a brighter appearance and extend the overall life of the carpet. Pet owners may find the SmartWash particularly useful. Homes with pets often face challenges related to tracked-in dirt, fur, accidents, and lingering odors. Deep cleaning can help address these issues more effectively than routine vacuuming alone, contributing to a fresher living environment. The machine is also designed to help improve the appearance of carpets by removing accumulated grime that can make fibers look worn over time. Regular deep cleaning can revitalize carpets and help maintain a cleaner overall appearance throughout the home. Hoover has focused on creating a user-friendly design that makes setup, operation, and maintenance straightforward. Homeowners who may not have previous experience with carpet cleaning machines can generally learn the system quickly and begin cleaning with minimal effort. The SmartWash is suitable for a variety of household environments, including homes with children, pets, busy family rooms, and heavily used carpeted areas. Its ability to perform deep cleaning without excessive complexity makes it attractive for both occasional and routine carpet maintenance. Another advantage is the potential cost savings compared to repeatedly hiring professional carpet cleaning services. Owning a dedicated carpet cleaner allows users to address spills, stains, and deep cleaning needs whenever necessary without scheduling appointments or incurring ongoing service costs. The machine's cleaning performance, combined with its automatic operation, makes it a practical option for homeowners seeking convenience without sacrificing effectiveness. It helps bridge the gap between simple vacuuming and professional carpet cleaning services. Overall, the Hoover SmartWash and Automatic Carpet Cleaner Machine delivers an excellent combination of convenience, deep cleaning performance, and ease of use. Its automatic cleaning technology, carpet and upholstery versatility, user-friendly operation, and ability to refresh heavily used surfaces make it a valuable addition to many households. If you're looking for a reliable carpet shampooer that simplifies deep cleaning while helping maintain a cleaner and fresher home, the Hoover SmartWash and is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.